Have you ever felt like your online store is missing that personal touch? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Meet the Team page that not only looks great, but actually boosts your conversions. So you really do need to stick around to learn the secret sauce. Now here's the deal. When you're selling online, customers can't walk into your store and chat with your staff. This lack of personal connection can make it really hard for them to trust your brand, especially if you're just starting out. In fact, a study by Sprout Social found that 70% of consumers feel more connected to brands with visible leadership. That's huge. But many new store owners either don't have a team page or have one that's, well, let's just say it's not doing them any favors. So what is it you need to do? You need to design a strategically placed Meet the Team page. This showcases the humans actually behind the brand. This isn't just about slapping some headshots and job titles on a page. We're talking about creating engaging, interactive profiles that tell a story and build real customer connections. Now, the best part, you don't need a big team or fancy design skills to make this work. Whether you're a small entrepreneur or even if you have a small team, I'll show you how to create a page that turns visitors into loyal customers. So you want to know how to do that? Let me show you. For each team member, what you want to do is you include a name, role, a brief, friendly bio, and one unexpected fact or hobby, and also their favorite product from your store. Use Shopify's page builder to create a grid layout that works great on mobile too. Add some interactivity. A simple hover effect that reveals more info can go a long way. And then what you want to do is you want to link team members to products they've curated or collections they've created. This connects your people directly to your products. And you also want to keep it real. Authenticity beats perfection every time. Let your team's personality shine through. Now, there are plenty of apps that you can actually use to build your Meet the Team page. For this example, we're going to choose the Amiga Team Showcase. And all you need to do is just click on install and follow the instructions. If you want to create some content for your Meet the Team page, I've created a AI prompt, which I will put in the description of this video. And all you need to do is just fill in the details. I put some placeholders here. All you need to do is fill those in with your company details and the roles of your staff, including years, backgrounds, their passions, favorite products, etc. And all you need to do is, once you've filled that in, literally just run the prompt. I'm using ChatGPT to do this. You just run the prompt. And what the prompt does, it starts crafting a team page or a team member page for you. So these are all the company details that I put in. I've put the dummy name as Trendy Goods, which is an e-commerce lifestyle products and accessories brand. And what you see is the AI getting to work and writing out all the content for your team page. Then, of course, what you can do is you would actually paste this into the app, this app here, and you just fill in the details, upload the images that you need to upload, and that's it. That's your team page using AI, using ChatGPT to craft this team page content for you. And guys, I can't say this enough. You really need to update this whenever any member of your team either leave or if a team member joins. Now guys, do you want to delve deeper into customizing your Shopify store? Check out our complete guide on adding custom pages. It's packed with advanced tips to take your store to the next level. You'll find a link in the description below. So there you have it. This is a powerful boost to your online brand. And don't forget to check out our full custom pages guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.